So if you're a woman and you want to make at least 160,000 naira every single month in this 2026, listen carefully. The economy is changing, inflation is real, but opportunity is everywhere if you know where to look. So today I'm sharing 10 profitable businesses women can start in 2026. They are realistic, they are scalable, and income generating. So let's go into it. Number one is mini importation business. With as little as 80,000 naira to 150,000 naira, you can import fashion items, beauty products, or gadgets and resell locally. Profit potential: selling 20 items weekly with 2,000 naira profit each, then 160,000 naira monthly. Platforms to sell: WhatsApp, Instagram, or Facebook Marketplace. Number two is small scale food business. Small scale food business you can start. Healthy meal prepare, small chops, smoothie and detox drinks, home cooking, delivery, food sales daily. If you make 6,000 naira profit per day, that's over 180,000 naira monthly. So consistency beats perfection. Number three, laundry and home cleaning services. Busy professionals don't have time. You can start with basic equipment and offer laundry pickup services, deep cleaning, construction cleaning. Just STD clients paying 25,000 naira monthly, you'll be making 200,000 naira income every month. Number four is digital skills, freelancing. Learn graphic design, social media management, visual assistance, copywriting, with just 3 to 5 international clients paying $100 each. You can comfortably exceed 160,000 monthly. This is high profit because your main investment is skill. Number five, hair and wig business. Women always invest in beauty. You can sell wigs, make wigs, offer installation services. One quality wig sell can give 15,000 naira to 40,000 naira profit. Just 5 to 10 sales monthly gets you past 160,000 naira. Number six, YouTube or content creation. Yes, content creation is a real business. Health tips, motherhood advice, finance education, lifestyle content. Consistency pays once monetized. Ad revenue, brand deals, affiliate marketing. This can grow beyond 160,000 naira monthly with time. Number seven is baking business. Cakes, chin, bread, pastries. Weekends alone can generate serious income. If you make 40,000 naira per weekend, that's 160,000 naira in 1 month. So start from home, scale gradually. Eight is thrift or kreka. Fashion business, low capital, high turnover. You can sell premium thrift online. Do live sales, target professionals. Profit margin per bale can exceed 100,000 naira if managed properly. Number nine is child care or crèche services. In urban areas, working parents need trusted child care. Trust and safety are your selling points. Number 10 is online coaching or consulting. If you have experience in hair, styling, baking, career coaching, business setup, health education, package your knowledge and sell online classes. Information is an asset in this 2026. Don't just start a business. Start with clear pricing strategy, monthly income, target 160,000 naira per month. Tracking reinvestment plan business is not about being busy, it's about being profitable. 2026 is not the year to depend on one income stream. Women are building wealth. Women are building brands. Women are building freedom. Pick one idea, commit for 6 months, track your numbers. 160,000 naira monthly is realistic if you treat it like a business, not a hobby.